Hi guys! Kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pala kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin na rin tayo ni bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. Yun na, at para sa video ito, another reaction video naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa cover song ni Nevin Adam. So kinover niya dito yung Man in the Mirror and sobrang excited na ako guys na mapanood to, kaya i-play na natin to without further ado. Let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Alright. Wait lang. Isa lang pala. Okay, play na natin. Alright. Wait lang. Okay, bilang tayo guys ng 3, 2, 1, go. So, here we go. Wow.
I'm gonna make a change for once in my life.
Grabe boses niya nung lamig.
It's gonna feel real good. Gonna make a difference. Gonna make you right.
Wow.
As I turn up the collar on my favorite winter coat, this wind is blowing my mind. I see the kids on the street without enough to eat. Who am I to be blind, pretending not to see their needs? A summer's disregard, a broken bottle top, and one man's soul. They follow each other on the wind, you know, 'cause they got no place to go. That's why I want you to
Wow.
know I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways, and no message could have been any clearer.
Oh,
If you wanna make the world
galing.
a better place, take a look at yourself and then make a change.
Wow.
Na, 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 na.
Wow, sobrang ganda ng voice tone talaga ni Nevin, no? Tapos yung diction, sobrang clear. Tapos ang maganda kasi kay Nevin, pag kumakanta siya, nanggagaling talaga sa heart, no? And then yung emotion is laging nandun. Kaya kapag kumakanta siya, tapos pinakikinggan ko, talagang ramdam na ramdam ko yung pag-awit niya. Napakagaling na singer, napakagaling na bata, and sobrang talented. Alright? Kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, bigyan nyo malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa akin channel. You know? Bye po!